Hello friends, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry. So guys, as you all know that SBI is conducting SBI PO 2021 exam in different shift, and today is 20th November and I'm here with the complete analysis of shift third guys. So let us see what was there in the shift third section wise and how many questions were there from a particular topic, what was the level of the question paper and what can be the best attempt. So guys, let us start reviewing. Guys, this is the quantitative aptitude analysis, and for the quantitative aptitude section we saw missing number question. These were of easy to moderate type, not easy type guys. Quadratic equation easy question, 4 to 5 question. Pie chart and table DI or line DI. Some students are saying table DI, some are saying line DI. So please let me know in the comment section box. Yeah, from the DI 10 question together, 10 questions were there, 2 set of DI were there. सो गाइज 2 DI से 10 क्वेश्चन थे, लेकिन टेबल DI था या लाइन DI था, दैट यू नीड टू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स. अर्थमेटिक गाइज 12 to 13 क्वेश्चन एंड दैट वर ऑफ इजी टू मॉडरेट टाइप. मतलब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि 15 क्वेश्चन अर्थमेटिक के हो. पाई चार्ट और पाई चार्ट तो था ही डेफिनेटली. टेबल DI और लाइन DI में से एक DI था, वो मुझे आप बताइएगा कौन सा था. टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन गाइज अगेन वाज मॉडरेट टाइप बिकॉज question based on the DI were of moderate type, they were of lengthy in nature. Talking about the best attempts, so guys again 22 to 25 was the best attempt in the quantitative aptitude section. Let us see what was there in the reasoning section guys. 2 to 3 question of from inequality, very easy question are being asked from the inequality, don't worry about that. Chinese question, very easy question are being asked. 5 question were there, 3 question from blood relation, very easy. Making pair, that you have to make the pair from the given set of letter while counting forwarding and backwarding. And guys 8 digit number, we need to find which of the number is repetitive in nature. 1 question were there. Talking about the puzzle and sitting arrangement guys, month and date based puzzle, January to June month were there, 5 months, 2 dates 6 and 17. 3 question from the linear sitting arrangement, a certain number of person were there, 11 members total. Please let me know in the comment section box how many numbers you made in the examination, like how many members you have counted. 3 question. Floor based puzzle, 9 floors were there, 5 question was easy. Dual row, 5 north, 5 south, you know that, 5 question. Tabular based puzzle guys. Yes, as compared to the first and second shift, this section was easy because why? मतलब जो मेरे पास आया रिव्यू उसकी मैं बात बता रहा हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो था ना ये पजल ये ड्यूएबल थी, लेकिन जो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड शिफ्ट की बात करूं, स्टूडेंट टुक टाइम टू सोल्व दोस पजल्स गाइस. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज गाइस. इजी टू मॉडरेट वाज द कंप्लीट, इफ आई say the complete English language section. 5 question from the spotting error, and you know how what kind of spotting error were there in the examination. A B C D E multiple sentence, we need to find which of the sentence is correct guys. And सेंटेंस रीअरेंजमेंट 4 to 5 क्वेश्चन, पैरा नंबर सेपरेट था, 5 to 6 क्वेश्चन, 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द फ्रेज रिप्लेसमेंट, 7 to 8 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. द थीम ऑफ द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन वाज poverty index in Africa. This was about the English language section. Again 22 to 22 was the best attempt. Talking about the reasoning ability guys, वही 22 से 25 बच्चों का बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट रह रहा है. I hope you got all the things. This was all about the shift 3 analysis guys. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination guys. Keep watching Entry. Thank you very much guys.